Always dropping things. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arceli. So today is this video. I'm gonna try for the first time to how to put a contact lens. I haven't done it before, and this is a in shade gray. Two lenses already here, you can see. Anyway, I take the lenses out from here last night because I want to put here overnight for disinfectant. This one I just bought the travel size. To be honest, I'm freaked out because I don't even know how. I think I want to start in the right side because I'm right-handed. See this one, guys, here, and I'm trying to put this one to my eyes. Uh-oh. What? Okay. What in the world? I'm gonna put the eye drops first. No way! You guys, that was really hard. I don't know if I can make it. It won't get in, guys. It won't not. Okay guys, I'm trying to show you what's look like. It took me like 30 minutes or so to put it in. It's only one eye, not yet here. So we'll see if I can put the other one, but it's still in here. Oh my god. Always struggling, you guys. Oh my god. Okay guys, I finally put all the lenses both side, and to be honest, I'm really struggle how to put my lenses. So now I'm going to take my lenses off, so wish me luck. So like I said, first thing I need to do is wash my hands all the time. So I'm gonna take this off. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is to fill this up. So my hand is ready, so let's take this out. Oh my god, I'm freaked out, you guys. Okay, I got one of this. This is in the right eyes. Then put the top on that first before you taking the other side out. To the side. Okay, I got it. Now let's put to the left side. Since all the contact lens is here, I put this container back there, and like I said, I put the this solution to disinfectant, so I will use it again sometimes. So what I learned, guys, it's more harder to put in and easy for me to take that off, but to putting in. To be honest, only one eye, one lens make me, it took me like 30 minutes or so. So yeah, that was a lot of struggling to put in because I blinking too much, and then and I have too much in my mind to think that what's gonna be happen. So when you're doing your contact lens first, you have to be calm down or relax, or and also of course you're in front in the big mirror like I do like this. But next time I have to be more closer because I far-sighted problem. So next time I will do more closer. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is very nice challenge for me, and I did it for the first time. So yeah, bye.